Transform your local projects into collaborative powerhouses by learning how to deploy them to GitHub, the ultimate hub for version control and teamwork. First, let's get your project ready for the cloud by creating a new repository on GitHub. Navigate to GitHub and click the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select New Repository. Give your repository a descriptive name, add an optional description, and decide if you want it to be public or private. Once your repository is created, you'll see instructions on how to connect your local project for a new project. The easiest way is to initialize a Git repository in your projects folder on your computer. Next, we need to stage all the files in your project directory. This tells Git which changes you want to include in your next commit. After staging, you'll create a commit, which is essentially a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time. Include a clear and concise message explaining the changes you've made. Now, it's time to connect your local repository to the remote repository you created on GitHub. You'll add the GitHub repository as a remote, essentially giving it a nickname. Once connected, you'll push your committed code from your local machine to this remote GitHub repository. And just like that, your project is now deployed on GitHub. You can refresh your GitHub repository page to see your files, and you've successfully enabled version control and opened the door to exciting collaboration opportunities.